Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record screen on iPhone. So guys, without waste your time, let's start this video. You can record your screen with your voice. How you can record your screen with voice on iPhone? Keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. Tap on the settings. Firstly, open the control center and you can see appears on screen recording is not showing. Simply open it, swipe up and tap on settings. Little bit scroll up to find control center and you can see appears on screen many features. Little bit scroll up and find screen recording. You can see and tap on plus icon. Go back. Open the control center and you can see appears on screen recording is here. Tap on it, allow microphone, select screen recording storage and start broadcast. You can see screen recording is start and working. That's it. You can see. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to record screen on iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.